Hi everyone, welcome to week 10. This week we are in module 10. We'll be working within module 10. Today is Saturday, October 24th. I want to make sure that you know that your observation number 2 is due today by 11:59 at the latest. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. But again, you have until this evening to submit that. So going into module 10 this week, I'll go under instructions. And again, when you're reading chapter 10 this week, these are some things I want you to look for. And you'll, at the end of your reading, you'll be able to describe the attributes of the rating scale as an observation method. You'll also be able to discuss various aspects of literacy in early childhood, examine the process of learning to read and also write. You'll be able to summarize an assessment of literacy development. And then you'll also be able to determine some modifications, of course, to help all children with literacy development. So make sure you're looking for these as you are reading your textbook this week. Your SLO, which is student learning outcomes, are, we had one this week, and it's describe and evaluate characteristics, strengths, limitations, and applications for observations. So again, everything you learn up in here, the rating scale really shows you how you can utilize that within observations. So to be successful this week, you want to, obviously you want to read chapter 10 in your textbook. You'll want to look over your videos and your PowerPoints for chapter 10. And then you want to take your quiz by Friday, October 30th by 11:59 p.m. And this week, your discussion board is about childhood books. So we're going to go into that in one moment. But again, your original thread, as you know by now, we're in week 10. Your original thread is due Wednesday by 11:59, and then it must be 100 words or more. And then by Friday, the 30th, you need to submit 2 peer posts. Again, none of them can be the same day. So if you do the original on Tuesday, you can give a peer post on Wednesday and then one on Thursday, or whatever you want to do, but you want to make sure that you don't submit them all on the same day because you will not receive full credit for that. I want to go back now and actually go over the discussion with you. So let's see here. This takes a moment, so I apologize. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all back to work and staying safe. Okay, so you do see the video. There's one video. Here's the quiz. And then there's some professional resources this week that you can take a look at. And again, if you have any questions, you can hit that bottom, questions for the professor. But childhood book is worth 10 points. So basically, what I want you to do, and then we're studying about literacy, what I want you to do is what was your favorite book as a child? Can you remember your favorite book? I want you to indicate why you were drawn to this book. Do you remember why? What in this book drew you to it? And do the same characteristics still fit the books that you select and read today? Why or why not? So you're going to kind of think back of when you were a child and what kind of stood out to you. What books did you like? What series or what books? And go back as far as you can remember, obviously. So again, the original post is due Wednesday, October 28th, and which is actually my birthday. I'm turning 21, October 28th. And then, of course, the 2 peer posts are due by October 30th. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and don't forget to turn in your observation 2 today by 11:59 for full credit. Okay, have a wonderful week, guys. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Take care.